Like and as. Like means similar to or the same as. Like is a preposition. So it is followed by a noun, a pronoun or ing. What a beautiful house. It's like a palace. Not as a palace. What does Sandra do? She's a teacher, like me. Not as me. Be careful. The floor has been polished. It's like walking on ice. Not as walking. Sometimes like equals, for example. Some sports, like motor racing, can be dangerous. We use this before a subject plus verb. I didn't move anything. I left everything as I found it. They did as they promised. They did what they promised. Compare like and as in these sentences. You should have done it like this. You should have done it as I showed you. You can also say like, somebody or something, doing something. For example, what's that noise? It sounds like a baby crying. As, preposition. A few years ago, I worked as a bus driver. Not like a bus driver. We've got a garage, but we haven't got a car, so we use the garage as a workshop. Like and as can be prepositions, but different meaning. As. During the war, this hotel was used as a hospital. So it really was a hospital. Like. Everyone is ill at home. Our house is like a hospital. It isn't really a hospital. Exercises. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.